Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Visionary series brought to you by PriorityRead.io. If you haven't experienced the earlier conversations yet, I've shared the link below. This journey didn't begin with answers, it began with a shift in perspective, a reminder that governance is not just about control, and privacy is not just about protection. It's about responsibility, intention, and the silent architecture of trust. In episode 2, Priya challenged conventional thinking. She spoke about beliefs in governance and privacy that are widely accepted yet deeply misunderstood. She shared the unspoken rules no one tells you when you step into this field. It wasn't just insight, it was clarity. And today, we move beyond clarity. Today, we explore the moment that changes everything. Because sometimes, in a career dedicated to frameworks, policies, and compliance, there comes a single breakthrough, a realization so powerful that it reshapes how you see the future forever. This episode is about that moment. It's about the shift from managing systems to shaping destiny, from enforcing rules to enabling possibility, from protecting data to protecting humanity. Welcome to episode 3. Priya, your journey through governance and privacy has clearly been shaped by powerful insights and defining realizations. What's one breakthrough, one defining moment in governance and privacy that completely transformed how you see the future forever?
I think this is not only for me, it is for everybody. The moment, like the breakthrough moment, uh, we see the rise of AI governance and emerging trends around the digital era, right? And in my experience, I have seen technology shifts to digital transformation like cloud, mobile, but AI is different, right? And it did not creep in slowly. It arrived like a flood. It arrived like a flood, and suddenly it was everywhere. Like if you're in classroom, in your social platform, in your conversation, in boardrooms, and everywhere, I guess, wherever you go, people are so much into the indulge with the AI, right? And I remember a conversation with one of my colleague, or we can say the senior. At that time, they said, "This is a moment that will redefine governance," and they were right. Like watching AI take over so quickly made me realize something: the future doesn't arrive gradually anymore. It arrives exponentially. Like you have to deal with that. You have to be ready, and you have to keep the pace with the with whatever is coming on your way. And cybersecurity and governance cannot just play like catch up. We have to stay ahead. So we have to be with the race of emerging changes which we have, and that completely shifted my mindset. I stopped looking at governance as purely reactive, like waiting for risk to appear, or and so I started focusing on foresight. Like I'm looking around, like what is going on, what risk can arrive, and how do we predict challenges. And I learned that so we have to predict the challenges whatever we are doing, right? And how do we build that ethically? Like how well we can bring that and innovate and design well for us and for other people, and also how do we lead the integrity in a world that is moving this fast, and we have to run with that, right? And that moment change how see the future forever. And it taught that cybersecurity and governance are not about following technology. It is about guiding it responsibly right from the start, and taking the accountability and accepting, like whenever, for example, this AI era is like revolving with us. So we have to stand with us. So we don't have to scared like this is something is coming. How we can evolve with it. So you can, I mean, you can build yourself with particular emerging and digital transformation is coming with by learning that and by focusing on if this is coming, so what challenges can come and how you can solve. So basically my focus is like whatever problem is coming, so don't always think about like this is the problem, this is the challenging thing is coming. So you always have to think in a way like what can be the solution and how we can resolve this. So that makes life easy, and we can also make it easy for other people and in the industry where we are working on.
Priya, that was truly a redefinition of what leadership in governance and privacy truly means. Before we close this chapter, I'd love to turn the lens towards something close to our hearts. PriorityRead.io was built as a space where conversations go beyond headlines, where leaders speak not just about success, but about responsibility, transformation, and the future we are collectively shaping. As someone who lives and breathes governance and privacy, what do you feel about PriorityRead.io as a platform?
See, Priority Read is something which I got to know about it, right? And I saw that this platform has enabled a lot of things. It's just not a limited thing. We can say a lot of things in this digital era. So we can say like I know like there are a lot of open AIs and open source we have, but I saw when I was reading the articles on the Priority Read, right, and I saw it is very, as I was talking about the simplification of the words, right? When we have any law and how you are simplifying, and people are not able to understand. So in the Priority Read, I saw like the articles, and it is very structured, and it's in very in simple way and simple language, that whomsoever have to start this journey in the cybersecurity world, so they can easily understand like from where it is coming, because we always talk about the governance, AI and all. So but in Priority Read, I saw they are not just limited with the with these things. They are open for quantum, blockchain, and other emerging trends. Right. So I must say, I mean, this Priority Read is coming up with a lot of platforms for the who wants to start the journey with the cybersecurity or other areas, and also who all are into this field. They can also start with reading and a lot of things, and they can use this platform very immensely and very effectively.
Thank you so much, Priya, for those generous words about PriorityRead.io. Hearing your perspective means more than we can express. Because it's voices like yours that remind us why this platform exists in the first place. It's reflections like these that push us to build deeper, think bigger, and raise the standard of every conversation we host. What we are creating here is not just content, it's a space where responsibility meets innovation, where trust meets technology, where leaders don't just talk about the future, they shape it. To everyone watching and listening, thank you for being part of the Visionary series. Your time, your attention, and your curiosity are what make these conversations matter. And this is only the beginning. In our upcoming series, we'll be welcoming visionary leaders from AI, blockchain, cybersecurity, and quantum pioneers who are redefining industries, challenging assumptions, and building the infrastructure of tomorrow. If today's conversation sparks something in you, don't let it end here. Subscribe to Priority Read YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Do visit priorityread.io to explore more conversations that go beyond the surface. Because the future is not built by spectators, it's built by those willing to understand it. Until the next episode, stay curious, stay responsible, and stay visionary. Thank you.